Hello students and hello everyone. Welcome back to class 6th maths on my YouTube channel. Now we will begin practice set 22 on textbook page number 45. There are some flowering trees in a garden. Each tree bears many flowers with the same number printed on it. Three children took a basket each to pick flowers. Each basket has one of the numbers 3, 4 or 9 on it. Each child picks those flowers which have numbers divisible by the number on his or her basket. He or she takes only flower from each tree. Can you tell which numbers the flowers in each basket will have? The numbers given with flowers, you have to find whether these numbers with flowers are divisible by 3, 4 or 9. First we will find which numbers with flowers are divisible by 3. We have to tick mark. All these numbers with flowers which I tick mark are divisible by 3. Now you have to write the answer. Numbers with flowers which you tick mark are divisible by 3. Number 3. All these numbers with flowers which you tick mark are divisible by 3. In number 111, the sum of the digit of the number 111 is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So the number 111 is divisible by 3. In number 369, the sum of the digit of the number 369 is 3 plus 6 plus 9 is equal to 18. 18 number is going 3 table. So the number 369 is divisible by 3. This way you have to check. In test of divisibility of 3 flowers with numbers, I taught you 2 examples. You have to follow that. Now you have to find numbers with flowers are divisible by 4. All these numbers with flowers which I tick mark are divisible by 4. Now you have to write the answer. Numbers with flowers are divisible by 4. All these numbers with flowers which you tick mark are divisible by 4. I will take you 2 examples. In number 356, unit and tens place is 56. Number 56 is divisible by 4. If you divide number 56 by 4, you will get the quotient 14. 14 fours are 56. In number 220, unit and tens place is 20. Number 20 is divisible by 4. If you say 4 table, it is going 4 5s are 20. So the number 220 is divisible by 4. So you have to do this way. Now you have to find which numbers with flowers are divisible by 9. You have to tick mark. All these numbers with flowers which I tick mark are divisible by 9. Now you have to write the answer. Numbers with flowers are divisible by 9. All these numbers are divisible by 9. In test of divisibility of 9, you have to take sum of the digits of the number, like the test of divisibility of 3. In number 369, the sum of the digit of the number 369 is 3 plus 6 plus 9 is equal to 18. Number 18 is going 9 table also. 18 is divisible by 9, so the number 369 is divisible by 9. Next, 666. The sum of the digit of the number 666 is 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 18. 18 is divisible by 9, so the number 666 is divisible by 9. Okay, got it? After finding test of divisibility of 3, 4 and 9, you wrote all the numbers which are divisible by basket number 3, 4 and 9. If you understood practice set 22, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.